Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Glimmer in the Dust by Hillsong United. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I will break it down and kind of explain it to you in more detail, so be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
I was lost in a moment, a glimmer in time, like a child chasing shadows, my back to the light. I was lost in a fall till you caught my through the smoke and the mirrors, a glimmer of light. I know there's a place I belong, where I'll see the fullness of love, a child face to face with my God, lost in your awesome wonder. While I wait, I will not be afraid. My faith will remain all the same. My hope in the things not yet seen, found in the greatest of these. I found love in a moment, exploding in light. At the cross where the curtains were ripped from my eyes, I found heaven in places, in glimmer and dust. Broken glass in reflection till we shine like the sun. I know there's a place I belong, where I'll see the fullness of love, a child face to face with my God, lost in your awesome wonder. While I wait, I will not be afraid. My faith will remain all the same. My hope in the things not yet seen, found in the greatest of these. When all's said and done, all that matters is love. So let love take over, not just in part, but in all that you are. So let love take over. When all's said and done, all that matters is love. So let love take over, not just in part, but in all that you are. So let love take over.
So for this song, we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We're going to be using the C chord, A minor, or A minor 7, G, and F over C. And it's important to keep in mind that for the C chord and the A minor 7 chord, we need to start our strumming on the A string. We're not going to strum the low E string for those 2 chords. Also, for the F over C chord, we want to start our strumming on the D string for that one. So that leaves the G chord as the only chord that we're actually going to strum all 6 strings for. For the strum pattern for this song, we're going to use a 3-beat strum pattern where we're going to have 3 down strums, and then we're going to add up strums after beat 2 and 3. And we also want to put our emphasis on beat 1, so we're going to strum harder on beat 1 and softer on everything else. So I'm just going to hold the C chord and I'm going to play through that strum pattern and count out the beats so you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. So if you're feeling uncomfortable with the strum pattern, that's a great way to practice it, is that you just take one chord and hold that and focus all of your attention on your strumming hand and even count the beats out loud so you can really be focused on what your strumming hand is doing and on the beats and on the measures. And once you've set the strum pattern to memory, then you can combine the strum pattern with the actual chords and chord transitions. All right, I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.